Hi, Ron J here. Are you hearing strange noises in your garden at night? Huffing, sniffing, grunting, snorting, puffing or purring? That might be us hedgehogs. Western European hedgehogs mate from May to September, depending the weather. Male hedgehogs engage in courtship rituals, including circling and vocalizations like snorting or grunting. Mating activities, such as courtship and copulation, occur primarily at night due to the hedgehog's nocturnal nature. Western European hedgehogs are generally solitary animals, and after mating, the male and female go their separate ways as they do not form long-term bonds.
Okay, I'll talk to you later. See you later. Bye.
Bye!
The gestation period is relatively short, lasting 30 to 40 days, with an average litter size of 4 to 6 hoglets born in nests made of leaves and grass. If you found this video useful and enjoyable, I recommend you check out the other videos on my channel Ron J Prickly. And if you follow me by pressing the subscribe button, you will receive a notification when I have posted a new video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video.